Samsung is no longer holding back its mid-range lineup, and the upcoming Galaxy A57 is proof that the gap between budget and flagship is shrinking fast. After a wave of leaks, retailer listings, and now real hands-on videos from Thailand, the Galaxy A57 is shaping up to be one of Samsung's most serious A-series upgrades yet. And this time, it's bringing flagship-level AI into the mix. The biggest highlight is a premium AI feature called Transcript Assist, previously limited to Galaxy S devices. Now, it's coming to the A57, and it changes how users interact with audio completely. The phone can convert voice recordings, lectures, meetings, interviews, and even recorded calls into text instantly. It can also summarize long conversations and even translate them. This isn't just a flashy feature, it's practical. Students can review lectures faster, professionals can revisit meetings without replaying audio, and creators can process interviews in minutes. But this phone isn't just about AI. The Galaxy A57 has been spotted in hands-on videos shared by a TikTok user in Thailand, showing a refined glass and metal design with a triple camera setup. The bezels are slimmer, the body is thinner, and the overall look feels far more premium than previous series models. Colors like lilac, navy, and charcoal add to that polished feel, with the lilac variant especially stands out in real-life footage. Under the hood, the upgrades continue. The Galaxy A57 is expected to feature a 6.7-inch AMOLED display, with FHD Plus resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Powering the device is the new Exynos 1680 chipset, paired with RAM options ranging from 6GB to 12GB and storage options going up to 512GB. Samsung is also improving thermal performance with a larger vapor chamber, helping the phone stay cooler during heavy use, like gaming or multitasking. Camera performance also gets a solid setup. The A57 is expected to include a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel macro camera. On the battery side, it packs a 5,000 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging, ensuring all-day usage with quick top-ups. On the software front, the device will run One UI 8.5 based on Android 16 right out of the box. Even more impressive, Samsung is expected to offer up to 6 years of OS and security updates, making this one of the most future-proof mid-range phones available. While Samsung hasn't officially confirmed the launch date yet, the fact that the Galaxy A57 is already appearing in retail stores and hands-on videos strongly suggests that the official release is just around the corner, likely expected in the coming weeks. Based on leaked pricing, the 12GB RAM and 256GB storage variant is expected to cost around $563, while the 512GB version could reach approximately $657. With its mix of AI features, refined design, and long-term software support, the Galaxy A57 is shaping up to be one of Samsung's most complete mid-range releases yet. That's everything we know so far. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.